welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn about the string separator in Python. So basically this separator helps you in joining strings or splitting data. Separators are very essential in the part of the programming. So here you can go through the definition of the separator here. So basically we are going to learn about these two separators in Python today. That is first one is join separator, second one is the split separator. These are the two separators that we are going to learn today. Before that, I would like to give you a basic example, basic go through that these are the few common separators used in Python. Comma, space, tab, new line, file separator like os.sep, this one and this one. These three separators we are going to learn in the next video. In today's video, we are going to cover only comma and space separator in this video. So let's get started without wasting any much time. So basically, join separator, what it does, it basically joins the strings. Like for example, if you have given the two strings A and B, it basically joins. We'll practically see this in the coding, but it just means that it concatenates strings with the specified separators. Now in the split separator, it basically split out the white spaces. Basically, you can see here that by default split separators are the string by white spaces, but you can specify a custom separator. हम हमेशा हमारे कोड में एक सेपरेटर स्पेसिफाई कर सकते हैं कि हमें क्या एक ऐसा सेपरेटर हमारे उस कोड से रिमूव करना है, फॉर एग्जांपल कॉमा स्पेस एनीथिंग एल्स. बट बेसिकली स्प्लिट सेपरेटर काम करता है व्हाइट स्पेस को रिमूव करता है. So without wasting time, let's get into the code. So here I've already written some part of the code just to give you an example that this is how it looks like. You can try this code by yourself as well. Otherwise, you can leave it like that. So हमारा पहला सेपरेटर है जॉइंट सेपरेटर. जैसे मैंने बताया यहाँ पे हमारे पास फ्रूट है. यहाँ पे तीन अलग अलग स्ट्रिंग्स है. यू कैन सी स्ट्रिंग डिफाइंड है by this and this and this. I've used separator. यहाँ पे हमने कॉमा यूज किया है कि कॉमा हमें रिमूव करना है एक तरीके से. कॉमा एंड दिस ओवरऑल हमें यही चीज हमें हटानी है एक तरीके से. सो जॉइन अंडरस्कोर स्ट्रिंग इज इक्वल टू सेपरेटर डॉट जॉइन फ्रूट्स. अब जो हमने लिखा है इसके बाद हमने प्रिंट किया है इस पर्टिकुलर. तो ये जो फंक्शन हमने यूज किया है इसका रिजल्ट हमें यहाँ दिखना चाहिए. तो जो आइडिया हमारे पास है that what kind of output will we are going to get, that is this output. ये आउटपुट आ जाएगा हमारे पास. ये इस तरीके से ये colons नहीं होंगे. That is the main rule here in the joint separator. Now when it comes to the split separator here this is a line data. This is basically a line, hello world Python. You know that we used to write this when we used to make a first program by writing hello world in any programming language. तो ये वही वाली line एक तरीके से hello world Python we have written here and comma हमने as a separator use किया है to see कि हाँ ये हमारा separator है. अब मैंने लिखा है split underscore data. Then I've mentioned here data dot split यानी कि इस data से मुझे split करना है comma को. सेम यहाँ पे हो रहा था कि हमें सेपरेटर से ज्वाइन करना है इसको. ओके. सो यहाँ पे ये वाला हमारा पॉइंट हट जाएगा. तो व्हाट आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग हियर आफ्टर प्रिंटिंग द स्प्लिट डेटा स्प्लिट अंडरस्कोर डेटा दैट ये जो एक सिंगल सी लाइन है और जो उसमें वाइट स्पेसेस है वो उनको हटा के इस तरह कुछ आउटपुट मिलेगा मुझे. हेलो अलग हो जाएगा एक स्ट्रिंग, वर्ड अलग हो जाएगा स्ट्रिंग एंड पाइथन वाला स्ट्रिंग अलग हो जाएगा. बिकॉज बेसिकली ये तीनों ही अपने आप में अलग अलग स्ट्रिंग्स हैं. वो तीनों को ही स्प्लिट कर देगा स्प्लिट फंक्शन. सो लेट्स सी कैसे होता है ये. See, this is a first line that first output that directly shows the working of the joint separator, and this one is for the second that shows you the output of the split separator. Hello world Python. Whatever output we have expected here and we are getting here, like we are on the same path. So if you like this video, because that's it for this particular topic, we are going to learn about other separators in next video. So basically that's it for today about the videos on separators in Python. We'll learn more separators in future, but for now this is enough. And I would like to give you a brief example Here we can change the words as well, and we can see our code is clearly working. You can see, so that was my example. Apart from this is it for the video. We'll learn more in the next video. Till then, stay tuned with me and keep learning. If you have any doubt till now, just comment down in the comment section. And for more such videos, you can read out in the description as well. Thank you so much. Bye bye.